Okay, now student will discuss page 195. Okay, in page 195, similar way to make the triangle shaped pipe 3. Triangle shaped pipe 3, this is a pipe 3. Okay, triangle shaped, this is a triangle shaped prism pipe 3. Okay, triangle shaped. Now draw two lines on the postcard. Similar way we can take a postcard like this, or you can take a you can take a thick paper. Okay, you can take a thick paper of the size 14 centimeter into 9 centimeter length and breadth. Okay, so draw two lines on the postcard like this. Okay, first we take a postcard and then we take a two lines. Okay, equal distance. Okay, taking equal distance, we take two lines on the postcard. Fold the postcard along the lines. What we do? We'll fold the postcard. Okay? Fold the postcard along the lines. Okay, that means it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. It will be like this. Then this part will come here and this part will come here. Okay, so what we do? Draw two lines on the postcard. Fold the postcard along the lines. So first we take a postcard, then we take two lines with equal distance, then we fold the postcard along the lines. Okay, join the ends with tape. If we join the ends with tape, then we will get this type of triangular box. Okay, we'll get this type of triangular box. Next is, now make the square shaped pipe like 4. Okay, now we get square shaped pipe like 4. Pipe number 4. This is pipe number 4, square shaped pipe. Find out which pipe can take the most sand inside it. So for making the square shaped pipe, we have to take the same postcard and we will take 3 lines with equal distance. Taking equal distance, take 3 lines, and if you fold it, then you will get this type of square box. Okay, now what we have to find is which pipe has the most volume. Which pipe has the most volume? By guess we can find out it, or by or if we take some water, or if we take some sand inside it. If we take some sand inside it, we will understand that which pipe is the greater volume or most volume. Okay, so this is the next part, that is triangular box and square rectangular box. Okay, by using the postcard we can make it, and we can find which box is the greater volume. If you put some sand or any other items, if you put inside it, then we will understand that by guess we can say that which box can take more amount of sand or more amount of any items, and we can take a conclusion that which box has greater volume. Okay, so this is the part that I have discussed here. Okay, in the next video we will discuss page 196. Okay, thank you.